Welcome to this session on specifics of selling SAP. This course is part of the Introduction and Sales Readiness curriculum and provides you with insight into the SAP strategy and solutions portfolio. The objective of this course is to support business acceleration, solution specialization, and help you define your go-to-market strategy. After completing this course, you will be able to outline the SAP strategy and solutions portfolio, list the 5 SAP market categories, define your go-to-market strategy to optimize your business with SAP, describe the specifics of selling SAP solutions, define the key SAP factors of differentiation to lead the market and beat the competition, identify the right resources to support you during the sales cycle. This lesson provides you with the high-level knowledge, tools and resources that you need to start selling SAP solutions and services. We will start by discussing the SAP strategy and solutions portfolio and further build a strong foundation by covering the specifics and key differentiators of these solutions. Lastly, we will arm you with a toolbox of information and resources to further expand your learning. In this first part on strategy and solutions portfolio, we start with 2 executive statements for you to understand how important you as SAP partner are in the overall SAP success. We will also see a video to list how we segment the market in 5 market categories to cover critical needs of business in this fast-moving environment. Finally, we will explain how we target companies by industries, lines of business and innovation. Through these 2 executive statements from Rodolfo Cardenuto and Bill McDermott, you can easily understand how critical SAP partners are in the overall SAP strategy and business success. We can't simply win without you. Rewind to the 1970s when 5 mavericks risked everything by breaking away from Big Blue to realize their vision for the power of business software. The same vision powers SAP today as leads the world in innovation. This short film documents the SAP story. This inspirational video describes how SAP not only helps its customers run better, but how SAP impacts the world, driving innovation and leveraging new technology to improve the lives of millions of people every day. So, why the 5? 5 market categories, that is. Watch this 4-minute video on why and how your portfolio fits into the SAP overall strategy. The SAP Solution Explorer is meant to help you find the business management software and solutions appropriate for improving business processes. Because each customer's business landscape is unique, the SAP Solution Explorer is intended to offer a first look at what might be of value for companies to operate profitably, adapt continuously, and grow sustainably. As partners, you should select the Partner view at the top of the screen after clicking the Logon button. You can then browse SAP's entire solution offering by industry, area of responsibility, or line of business and technology. You will have access to value maps that provide a framework for telling a relevant, integrated solution story. This tool is great to tell the SAP story to your prospects and customers, so we encourage you to use it as your first stop in preparing to meet with a customer. The Solution Explorer is also meant to support your partner business acceleration and solution specialization. In this section, we focus on the specifics of selling SAP. Our intent is to share with you the business trends leading to SAP opportunities and the critical success factors to sell SAP solutions, all within the context of the sales and buying cycles of your prospects and customers. There are a lot of different reasons that lead companies to invest in business solutions. It can be a change in industry regulations or simply a new regulation. For example, food companies should deliver more and more traceability reports to food authorities. This is sometimes about governmental policies, change of currency, variation of interest rates, inflation or deflation. A change of strategy within a company can justify an investment in a new business solution if they need to change many business processes and change the way they work. Business transformation often leads to reorganization or optimization of company resources. Over the years, many companies have invested several business applications with relevant IT platform to integrate different solutions. IT consolidation is a great scenario for SAP opportunities. We will all hear a lot about management of big data, need for more visibility and accurate reporting. SAP HANA and SAP Analytics solutions deal with these critical type of customer needs. These opportunities come from internal or external sources. Decision makers are sometimes aware of their needs, but sometimes they are not. A strong business acumen is required to get the attention of C-level executives. Do your research about company size, industry, organizational structure, and competitive information. Talk business, not IT. Build a stakeholder map with key decision makers. Adapt the sales conversation to the C-level you talk to. Identify issues, challenges, and areas of improvement. Position value and benefits of your solution and do not list features. Provide business case and proof of concept. Involve pre-sales for demos and complex deals. Make sure you are equipped to beat the competition. When you manage a sales opportunity with prospects and customers, you should always be transparent about the different components of the project. The combination of software and services is a key factor of success in sales. They both address specific customer challenges we need to uncover. As you can see, selling solutions and services really require different competencies and mindset. You will need to combine both for the overall success of your customer. Services include implementation, education, maintenance, and consulting. As SAP partner, you build your own service offerings. Here's what we suggest. Always make sure you are transparent about the overall cost of the project, including budget for software licenses and services. Ensure a smooth transition between the sales cycle to the project implementation by defining a date for go live early in the overall project. Position SAP Rapid Deployment Solutions with game-changing innovations in a low-cost and predictable approach, offering modular solutions, solving specific business needs today, integrated for the future. Fixed price and scope projects. Rapid time to value, most implemented in 12 weeks or less. And think about SAP Enterprise Support. Since the cloud is sold via a subscription model, it really offers flexibility for the customers, as they can access a solution for 1 year and then reiterate their contract if they are satisfied and not renewing it if they are not. We should also mention that we see a trend in our installed customer base. Companies tend to keep the on-premise option for critical business solutions and go for the cloud option for commodity applications. In that sense, these two offers are very complementary. The benefits of cloud are numerous and diverse. The first benefit is flexibility. Network dependency may mean dependency to the internet, but it means independence from the office. Employees are now more able to access data from servers outside the office and not hardwired in-house servers, creating a more flexible and mobile work lifestyle for organizations. Not only does cloud computing provide flexibility for workers, it provides flexibility in implementing changes and new technologies without high risk and cost. Because organizations aren't bound to a hardwired IT infrastructure that costs billions to create in the first place, They have room to experiment and change things with the ability to just as easily revert back to their original system if things do not work out. The second benefit is cost reduction and increased efficiency. The low barrier of entry and the pay-per-use model offered by cloud computing makes it very versatile. It is scalable for large corporations and affordable for small ones. Since a massive amount of resources is not needed for everyone, they can be leased to other clients and the cost can be divided among these. A cloud provider can offer an infinite amount of resources to many users. Because of reduced cost and time, organizations can focus efforts elsewhere and be more efficient. The third benefit is reliability. While internet connectivity and the provider itself being subject to outages is a scary fact of the nature of cloud computing, there is still more reliability in comparison to in-house systems because of the economies of scale. The vendor is more able to give 24/7 technical support and highly trained experienced staff to support the infrastructure and its best condition, and the benefits will reach all their clients. Compare this to each organization having a team of on-site IT people with varied skill set. And finally, the fourth benefit is security gains. Yes, there are security risks with cloud computing, but the traditional in-house data storage system comes with risks as well. The gain here lies within smaller, newer companies with low budget for implementing security systems and less know-how about security technology. The cloud provider already offers the hardware and knowledge for the most current security measures. It is evident that implementing a new data system comes with serious risk to consider, but it is also clear that the benefits of cloud computing can be factors that help business grow, especially smaller ones. When businesses are asked why or why not they use a cloud solution, you can see they provide very interesting input. Please take a moment to review some of the feedback. It is critical to build a healthy pipeline. At early stages, customers discover and recognize a need. They eventually start to consider your options to meet their requirements. At the recognize phase, customer management is not aligned to existing business issues. Your goal is to help them identify and agree to their business challenges and commit to proceeding with the project. At the consider phase, customer management agreed to business issues and that SAP can contribute. Your objective is to get management agreement to a collaborative action plan. It is essential to keep the customers committed with specific actions to advance in the cycle. At this stage, customers evaluate different options and select their preferred solutions. Being shortlisted, you need to deliver impactful value messages to influence positively the customer's evaluation team. At the evaluate phase, customer management has agreed to the collaborative action plan. Your aim is to make management acknowledge that SAP partner offering is the solution to their business issues and commit to proceeding through a written close action plan. At the select phase, the customer acknowledges the SAP partner's offering as shortlisted. Your goal is to get the customer's evaluation team to recommend SAP. It is now time for negotiation. You have convinced the customer on the value of your solutions, but they will challenge you on price, discounts, terms and conditions of the contract. Achieving a win-win situation is your objective to close the deal and for the customers to get their project started. At the negotiate phase, customer's evaluation team recommends SAP. Your goal is to make customer management confirm that SAP is the preferred vendor. At the purchase phase, customer received and accepted final proposal. Your final objective is to make customer management sign the contract. Closing deals is never easy, but if we have done our qualification homework and the customer has bought into the value justification, it will go more smoothly. It is really worth spending time and effort early in the sales cycle. It allows you to go ahead of your competitors and optimize your relationship with the customer. There are many key SAP factors of differentiation, such as leader in business applications with more than 40 years of experience in the market. Above all, we have to mention the power of the SAP ecosystem. You, as SAP partners, bring so much industry expertise and knowledge acquired over thousands and thousands of implementations. Your know-how, your proximity to customers, the talent of your people really make the difference. From a solution standpoint, we already highlighted the 5 market categories earlier in this presentation. But we are going to uncover how the innovations like rapid deployment solutions and the revolutionary SAP HANA are fantastic opportunities for you. From a sales perspective, we are going to introduce you to 2 very powerful ways to approach prospects and customers successfully: design thinking and value management. A simplified rapid deployment solution experience unlocks the value of SAP software and services by selling and deploying pre-assembled rapid deployment solutions in SAP HANA Enterprise Cloud or on-premise. As SAP partners, you can resell and implement the latest IT innovations with increased speed, reduced risk, and lower costs. RDS is all about rapid time-to-value solutions for prospects and customers. SAP HANA is a revolutionary in-memory platform that simplifies and streamlines complex and expensive IT architectures. SAP HANA helps customers process massive amounts of data and deliver information at unprecedented speeds, up to 10,000 times faster than before. SAP HANA is an open platform, adaptable and extensible, enabling you to create previously unimaginable applications and to rethink and envision new ways to run your business. Watch the video to learn more. Design thinking is a problem-solving, innovation-driven experience to unlock opportunities that create value for your prospects and customers. It is focused on 3 key elements of a solution: people, technology, and business. Design thinking is a user-oriented, team-based method of inventing and developing. As such, it goes beyond the common thinking and practices for developing user interfaces. On one hand, design thinking aims to tailor products more closely to users' needs. On the other, it is intended to enable a new form of team building. Design thinking with SAP is a unique, problem-solving experience for businesses that brings together business thinking with design thinking to create value for our customers and prospects. SAP's Value Management Program helps partners leverage value management best practices, tools, and content, including a state-of-the-art business process benchmarking database with annexed generation business case platform. Partners that engage in and contribute to this program can benefit from stronger brand identity, new demand generation opportunities, secure project delivery, and tighter customer relationships. In this section, we provide you with key locations for you to find the right information when you need it. SAP is here to support you. You have a full team of professionals dedicated to your success. Get in touch with your partner service advisor, your partner account manager, and your inside sales executives to make the best out of your partnership. Enablement assets reside on sappartneredge.com. We offer a comprehensive portfolio of 24/7 self-service enablement assets available for mobile consumption, such as sales presentations, subject expert videos, demonstrations, whiteboards, and simulations. All of these assets are developed by content experts in the field to provide any type of partners, no matter if authorized resellers, VARs, distributors, system integrators, and all partner roles with immediate access to the best of breed content. All these no-touch enablement assets support you to optimize time to revenue by onboarding effectively your talents, grow your business with the SAP solution portfolio, shorten the lead to close cycle benefiting from best-in-class sales and pre-sales assets, implement and support your customers successfully with the right technical documentations. Keep up with SAP's speed of innovation by accessing latest enablement assets. You should also register to the SAP Solutions Catalog for partners. This mobile application, developed specifically for you, is a great bridge to success for your business. This is the new tool designed to help accelerate your demand generation activities and drive your solution sales by offering a single resource for all your marketing and sales information requirements. Finally, SAP Partner Edge Interactive allows you to be connected to us and get the latest news on SAP events, solutions, and new assets. Thanks a lot for attending this course. We wish you all the best and plenty of success with SAP. Happy selling!